Hi guys, welcome back to Borla Chef's Kitchen. My name is Colleen and today we're going to show you how to make a very healthy pudding, and it's really just made of two ingredients: figs and any kind of milk. Whether if you're vegan or if you prefer nut milk, you could do almond milk, soy milk. You could of course just do regular milk as well. So it's a very easy recipe pudding that you can make at any time, and most importantly it's filling, and you can have it two ways, hot and cold. So we're going to show you how to make it and hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please do subscribe to our channel and like and leave us a comment. Thanks.